Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So, as you guys probably know, if you are Save the World fans but have yet to play the game, you would know that you've been waiting about 3 years now after Epic said that Save the World would eventually be free, but they then made a post in July, I believe, of this year that Save the World would remain a premium experience, which means they never plan on releasing it for free. So, you guys know I don't clickbait. So, how on earth did I get it for free after 3 years then? So, it's actually a really convoluted story, and technically, I did have an item to start with that got me the money, so I'm not like giving you guys a tutorial or anything on how to get it for free unless you're gonna sell one of your items or something. It's just a really complicated story time video. So, basically, if you guys watch my someone sent me the deep freeze bundle video, um, so basically what happened is it was sent through Amazon, so I used the code inside the box and I got the items. Then I figured out that you could return the box and I just said it wasn't what I expected, which I know is kind of dank. But eventually I ended up getting $26 back on my account in about a week. So I then used the 25 for a PSN gift card, and then I used 20 of that to get the Metal Team Leader pack. So that is how I got Save the World for free after 3 years. And guys, that is quite literally the dankest thing I could have done to get this. And don't mind what the rest of the money was used for, it's irrelevant. So the thing is though, I really wish that Epic didn't, like, in the first place say that they would ever release it for free, because I could definitely say for myself, as well as probably other people, that it warded them away from buying the Founders Edition of the Save the World campaign because they believed it would eventually become free, so why bother purchasing it? If they knew it would always be a premium experience, they probably would have bought it before. And the reason why this kind of boils my blood a little is the fact that they decided to use in the new version of Save the World, they replaced V-Bucks for daily rewards and weekly or really anything that would have been V-Bucks with X-ray tickets. And that's fine, I guess, if you are really only invested in Save the World. And I can definitely say, because I've been playing for like 2 days now, my experience as a noob in Save the World, it's definitely like you're not playing Fortnite at all. It's quite literally its own experience. I mean, you start out with default controls, you find out you can't crouch. It really is something I would recommend trying, but you really have to be able to invest yourself in that game specifically, especially now that there's no V-Bucks to transfer over to Battle Royale, which was the main incentive for most to even get the Founders Edition, even if it was the cheapest one. So, I think it's interesting with cinematics and the storyline, but I think there's a lot to be fixed, and there's plenty of videos of people that have played Save the World who say they're quitting now because Epic is just gonna keep cycling content, and they don't plan on finishing the Twine Peaks storyline and things such as that. I personally haven't even gotten close to that far yet. I'm still in the original area, so I have no idea if I'm going to be going through the entire thing. I probably will, though. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is, guys, a pretty disappointing thing is I just found out that my PC's been like broken for 3 months now, and it turns out that we did have a warranty, so we can send it back to fix it. So that's gonna, in about a week, I might be able to finally start doing some videos on higher up games because it can actually be rendered on that device, such as some live streams or just videos on Save the World in general, in my opinion, if you guys care about that. But I don't know. I mean, I just think it was a big problem on corporate Epic Games that they decided that they're gonna lie to the community by just randomly deciding it should stay a premium experience. It's just ridiculous. But yeah, guys, I do plan to do some kind of videos on Save the World eventually, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you look forward to that. Don't get too triggered, because I'm sure this isn't the method anyone was expecting to get Save the World for free, because you do still need the money. I just got really lucky that someone sent me the Deep Freeze bundle, and I was able to return it even after using it for $26, so I'm glad to say I finally got it after 3 years. It's definitely something that everyone should experience at least once if they have played the Battle Royale version, because again, it really is like its own game. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick wacky storytime video for me. Hopefully I'll be getting that PC up running soon, and make sure to like the video if you did, and if you have any problems with this video or questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. I'll probably be back with some more gaming content tomorrow, so bye guys.